Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening services with admin rights so you can change system-level settings. Press Win+R, type services, MSC, and press Enter. This loads the services console. Once done, scan the list for the exact service name you want to stop. The name matters, not the display text. Make sure to note its startup type and current status. This tells you why it runs and whether stopping it will persist after reboot. If you need more control, keep Task Manager and Event Viewer open alongside. You now stop the service and prevent it from restarting automatically. Right-click the service and choose Stop. That halts it immediately. Then open Properties and change Startup Type to Manual or Disabled depending on whether you might need it later. Manual lets you start it when necessary. Also check the Dependencies tab and stop any dependent services first, because Windows won't let you disable a service that other services require. When done, close Properties and verify status reads Stopped. You finish by verifying the change and handling common problems. After stopping and changing startup type, reboot to confirm the service stays stopped. This proves the change persisted. If the service restarts or fails to stop, open Event Viewer, filter by the service name, and read error details to diagnose why Windows restarted it. If permissions or corruption block changes, make sure you used an admin account. Then run sfc/scano or reset the service to its original start.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.